What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Matt back with another video. Today's video will be driving around downtown in the M550. Feel me? I'm just gonna give you a little walk around of the car. That's how the car look. It's a nice little walk around. You know what I'm saying? She looks good, bro. I ain't gonna lie. She's looking beautiful. No cap. It's a car coming. But yeah, she's looking beautiful. So now I'm gonna drive around downtown. Late night POV drive. Right now it's like 1:30 in the morning. Feel me? Got the M550 outside. My boy over there is sleeping. You chilling? Finna get into the video and shit like that. Yup. Oh my god damn. Oh my god, bro. Yo, this bitch, oh my god, this shit sound crazy. She said no left turn. What the fuck? So where the fuck am I gonna turn? Yo, nah, why she moving like this, gang? Nah. She moving devious, I ain't gonna lie. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, gang. Don't ever pull up next to me, gang. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, nah. This shit really be moving, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This shit crazy. Okay, time. That's a shitty. I thought she wanted to race, bro. Oh my god. Put my window down for this one. Oh my god. Y'all ready for this one? Oh my god. Damn. That was crazy, I ain't gonna lie. That was crazy, bro. What the fuck? Nah. I'm bugging chat or what? Let me find out. That shit was loud. Oh God. That shit sound crazy, bro. I swear to God, like, this shit just be moving though. Like, damn. Like, damn, bro. What the fuck? This shit sound real, bro. I ain't gonna lie. If you got an M550, make sure you straight pipe your car for sure. This shit sound insane. No cap. But yeah, I got the green lights on tonight. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like changing them. Wrong shit. Go back to my blue chat. Yeah. I'm jacking the blue. Damn. They got cops out here too. I ain't gonna lie, I'm bugging chat. But hey man, we're doing it for a YouTube video. We're doing it for the gang. We're doing it for the gang. For the gang. Gang. Nah, but yeah, bro. This car is a lovely car, bro. This shit is insane. Why am I hearing Jamaican tunes? Oh, they closed this shit. Oh no. This nigga looking at the bitches or what? Gotta do it for the bitches too. Nah, he was dead ass looking at the bitches though. Like, this shit funny. I ain't a lot of them bitches. Let me not even say nothing, bruh. Oh God. This is what average niggas my age is doing right now. And I'm out here making content. Look, niggas my age out here partying and shit like that. And you see what I'm doing? I'm out here making content. You feel me? Yup. Y'all know what that mean. Word. So make sure y'all like the damn video, bruh. Like the video up. Oh my God. I'm finna put this shit to work. funny as fuck. Oh god. Oh yeah, it's over. Oh, I thought it was about to come after me. Yeah. I got scared for a second. Oh yeah, I'm going to fuck home, nigga. Should I spin one more time, chat? I think I should spin one more time, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I think I should spin one more time. Should I go on a high-speed chase, but I don't got no gas. Let me stop, bro. I ain't gonna do all of that. Yo, these lights be taking forever. Type of shit is going on, bro? So I couldn't go straight? I ain't going straight anyways. Damn. Oh my god, this shit is insane. This is the stadium. Again. Yeah, and I think that will be it for the rest of the video. That should be it for today's video. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm about to cruise home, chill, vibe, play some music. You know I can't play music into my videos because I ain't trying to get copyrighted, you know what I'm saying? And I'm trying to get paid. You feel me? So make sure y'all boys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for the next video. We out. Bow. Damn, it's dark over here. What the fuck? Hold on. Oh my god.